Attention! Sanities. Everything is easy if you are crazy. Nothing will be easy if you are lazy. With this wonderful quotation, a very fresh and hearty good morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the dedicated and versatile teachers of Uttarayan Academy, and my all dear friends. I am Joshna Dhapola from 5th standard. Today I am standing here in front of you to commanding morning assembly on behalf of class 5th. Classes attention! Stand at ease! Attention! Stand at ease! Attention! As prayer purify our mind, takes away negativity. So now I would like to call my classmates for prayer. Shivam Krishna Damodaram Ramanarayanam Janaki Vallavam Achyutam Keshivam Krishna Damodaram Ramanarayanam Janaki Vallavam Achyutam Keshivam Krishna Damodaram and all the hardworking teachers and my dear friends. Good morning to all of you. My name is Yuvraj Chan, standing in class 5th. Get ready for pledge. India is my country. Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and am proud of its teacher very heritage. As I always strive to be a loyal and worthy citizen of it. I also respect to my parents, teachers and elders. I also kindness to animals, to my country and my people. I play my devotion in their happiness and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. May God give our countrymen peace and prosperity. Jai Hind! Bharat Mata Ki! Bharat Mata Ki! Bharat Mata Ki! Thank you. Have a nice day. Classes stand at ease. Attention! Stand at ease. Attention! Stand at ease. A new day start with a new belief, new strength and earliest possibilities. So now I would like to call Naitik Dhapola to inspire us with thought.
Honorable Chairman, Sir, respected Principal, Ma'am, all the hardworking teachers and my dear friends. First of all, very warm good morning to all of you. My name is Naitik Dhapola, standing here class 5th. Today my thought is, you cannot fail if you refuse. I repeat my thought once again. You cannot fail if you refuse. I repeat my thought in Hindi explanation. तुम हार नहीं सकते अगर तुम हार मानने से ही इनकार कर दो. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Attention! Stand at ease. Attention! Stand at ease. Every day update ourselves, shows our awareness towards our nation. We should aware about happenings in our surroundings. So to enlighten us with current happenings, I would like to call my classmate Shivans Verma for news headlines. Chairman, Sir, respected Principal, Ma'am, and all the hardworking and high-minded Teachers of Uttarayan Academy and my dear friends, good morning to all of you. My name is Swan Sharma, standard of class 5th. Today I am here for news headlines, and my first news from international is President Putin evokes memory of Hitler defeat, victory on Ukraine. My next news from national is IMD is Andhra Pradesh, and IMD issues red alert at Andhra Pradesh as cyclone. My next news from politics is Congress key CWC meeting yesterday for finalist and strategy for Chintan Shivir. My next news from Uttarakhand is Uttarakhand government puts a daily limit on pilgrims visiting Chardham shrines. My next news from sports is yesterday was the match between Lucknow Super Giants and Gujarat Titans. Gujarat Titans beat Lucknow Super Giants by 62 runs. My next news from temperature is today the temperature of Bageshwar is 19 degrees Celsius to 31 degrees Celsius. And the temperature of Tuped is 21 degrees Celsius to 31 degrees Celsius. The weather is more sunny. Thank you everyone. Stellarities. Attention. Stellarities. Galileo Galilei was a natural philosopher, astronomer or mathematician. Galileo was globally famous as the father of science or the father of modern physics. So to give you more information about Galileo Galilei, here comes my classmate Varun Khetwal for article.
All very healthy and charming. Good morning to Honorable Chairman, Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, and all the hardworking worthy teachers and staff members of Uttarayan Academy. Today I am Varun Singh Khetwal to say the article from class 5th. And my article topic is Galileo Galilei. Galileo Galilei was born way back in the year 1564 in the town of Pisa, Italy. When he was 20 years old, his father wanted him to be a doctor, but Galileo was bored with his school except for math, because math was the one subject where he was doing well. The court mathematician offered to tutor him privately so he could become qualified mathematician. Galileo's father was disappointed, but he agreed because he needed to earn money. Galileo began experimenting with different things, trying to come up with some sort of invention that he could sell for money. He had a little bit of success. That was kind of a compass that could be used to measure plots of land. He had already experimented with pendulums, magnets and thermometers. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Stellarities. Attention. Stellarities. Now the time to check your intelligence. So for checking your intelligence, I would like to call my friend Pianegi for asking you some GK questions.
Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am and all the hardworking and grateful teachers of Uttarayan Academy and my dear friends. First of all, a very charming good morning to all of you. Myself Pianegi from class 5th standing here to ask you some GK questions. And my first question goes to class nursery. What comes before 2? I repeat my question once again. What comes before 2? Correct answer is 1. My next question is for class LKG. What comes after B? I repeat my question once again. What comes after B? The correct answer is C. My next question is for class UKG. What comes after 23? Yes, your answer is correct. The correct answer is 24. My next question is for class first. What is the opposite of up? Yes, down is the correct answer. My next question is for class second. Who is the President of India? Yes, Mr. Ramnath Kovind is the correct answer. My next question is for class 3rd. Who is known as Iron Lady of India? Yes, Indira Gandhi is the correct answer. My next question is for class 4th. Where is White Night Festival celebrated? My next question, I repeat my question once again. Where is White Night Festival celebrated? Russia is the correct answer. My next question is for class 5th. About how much water available about water. Yes, 3/4 is the correct answer. My next question is for class 6th. Nakund Dam built in which river? Answer is wrong. The correct answer is Sutlej. My next question is for class 7. How many terminals are there in? Question is for class 8. If black mean pink, pink mean white. If black mean
Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. The small kids are small hearts of our school. So now I would like to call class UKG students for reciting their poem.
morning all of you. My name is Jyoti Khetwal from class UKG. बिस्तर पर मैं सोई थी, सपनों में मैं खोई थी। एक परी उड़ कर आई, मुझे देखकर मुस्कुराई। तरह तरह के देव पार चली गई वो पंख पसार। Follow me, hands up. Follow me, hands down. Follow me, turn to right. Follow me, turn to left. Follow me, wave your arms. Follow me, bend your knee. Follow me, turn to around. Follow me, touch the ground.
Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Inspiration and discipline are very necessary to us. Inspiration given by our teacher and applying it in our life to get our right path. So now I would like to call respected Pratibha ma'am to motivate us.
In the premises of Goddess Sarda, present Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the hardworking and high-minded teachers, staff members and my dear students. First of all, a wonderful morning to all of you. Today I am here to share a small thought with you. The thought is actually a quote which is said by the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. He said that if you think you can do something, you definitely will be able to do that. If you think you can do something, you definitely will be able to do that. But if you think you cannot, then also you are right. The thought simply means that everything we do in our life that depends on our willpower. If we are determined to do something, then there is nothing in the world which can stop us. One living example which shows that there is a very high value of our willpower in our life is Abraham Lincoln. Many of you might know him also. He is well known and famous for being the President of United States. He was a champion of the equal rights and he is also known for abolishing the slavery in America. But this success didn't came to him within night only. He has struggled very hard for it. He was failed for so many times. He was rejected for so many times before he achieved the dream he was having that he want to be a president of a particular country. The consecutive failures he was having included so many times failing in the business he had started. At the same time, he was suffering from nervous breakdown also. He has been running for the president post for so many times, but at last after 8 attempts he was able to achieve this post when he was 52 years in the year 1961. The theory shows that, and his life history, if you are going to read it sometime, it proves that the amount of rejection you fail, they are not a defining factor. Success is never too far if you are determined to achieve it. The amount of hard work you do and your persistence, it will show your path to your success. One famous poet even has said that a small poem that is, some lines I am going to recite for you. काम करो कुछ काम करो, जग में रहकर कुछ नाम करो, यह जन्म हुआ किस अर्थ को हो, समझो जिससे यह व्यर्थ न हो। कुछ तो उपयुक्त करो तन को, नर हो न निराश करो मन को, काम करो कुछ काम करो, जग में रहकर कुछ नाम करो। So you should never lose your hope for failing for 1 or 2 times. Always try your best and you will find your way to success one day. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Standards, attention. Standards, attention. Every starting has an end, so we have also reached to the end of our assembly. It is the prime responsibility of every citizen to feel that our country is free and to defend its freedom is our duty. Now this is the time to utilize your 52 seconds by singing the national anthem. So get ready for the national anthem. National anthem loudly and correctly. Now start. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Classes, show your hankies. Classes, keep your hankies in your pocket. Classes, attention. Stand at ease. Attention. Stand at ease. Now I would like to call respected Principal Ma'am for their motivational speech.
Thank you, Jyotsna. So as every moment in the morning is a fresh beginning. Every moment in the morning is a fresh beginning. So with this lovely quotation, I first of all wish you a very fresh morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, all the worthy teachers and my lovely students. Yes, students, how are you all? Okay, are you fine now? Yes. Not feeling tired? No. Okay, feeling freshness? Yes. Sure? Yes. Okay, that's good. Okay, the students, it is a wonderful and energetic performance of class 5 students. It is really admirable and so very well way they have presented here. So that's why they deserve the big hands for them. So clap for them. And especially the best part of this assembly activities from the class 5, the students who hold they commanded the whole assembly in a very energetically, fluently, and so especially without any stucking. So for that girls, wonderful girls, is that is all-rounder Jyotsna Dhapola. So give the very big hand for, especially to her, because I have noticed that so very sincerely and so inside, very internally, she has just giving that. It's not noticing that she is reminding and so all memorize all these things. So that's why, okay, that's enough. So now you also, similarly, all the students, all are doing the well. They are giving the good efforts here. They are trying well. So mistakes prove that you are trying well. When you will do the mistake, then only it seems to that ki we are doing this, but we are trying this thing. But later require the improvement, so we will do in that. So all the students do similarly hard work, and others in the teachers category, I will not only go for the students. Teachers are also daily motivating you, giving the very inspirational speeches here, and so that they to regulate to you. So they are also doing the hard work behind it. Daily they are practicing, learning and finding all the words. So they also deserve. And so today's it was a very nice and inspirational that thought given by Pratibha ma'am. So she also deserves. So that's why give the big clap for her also. All the teachers, really they are doing hard work. Okay. Friends, so at last I would say that keep your face always towards the sunshine. Keep your face always toward the sunshine. Many students are standing here, na? You are just feeling some itching also in the eyes, but still you are standing here, na? So always keep your face towards the sunshine. So shadows will fall behind you. See that shadows are falling behind you. All see your shadows. Shadows, are you able to see? Shadow means your परछाई. आपकी परछाई पीछे दिखाई दे रही ना? You are standing, you are looking ahead. So similarly, mean to say that you always go ahead, do hard work. So at last, definitely, without any obstacle, you will get the success. Right or not? Yeah? So they also have done hard work, and today very well, very fantastically they have presented here. So that's why always stay positive and do hard work. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Sternities, attention. Sternities, attention. First row turning to a right about turn. Third row turning to a right about turn. Fifth row turning to a right about turn. Seventh row turning to your right about turn.